Now, there is a paragraph given below this topic, know your scientist. There is something written about a scientist. Let's see what is written over there. Hans Lippershey was a Dutch who is believed to have invented the telescope. Now this is the name of the scientist. ये scientist है जिसने ये telescope बनाया था. Who invented this telescope? What is the name? Hans Lippershey. Who invented telescope? He was a Dutch. Dutch means he lived in Germany or he knows Dutch language. Lippershey used lenses to make his basic telescope and called his invention a kijker, meaning looker in Dutch. He used his old lenses. उसने lenses use किए telescope को बनाने के लिए. First telescope बनाया जब उसने, and called his invention a kijker. उसने अपनी invention को नाम दिया kijker, meaning looker. Looker means देखना, कि something is he had made that is used to see something. In Dutch, Lippershey was the first person to describe what a telescope is in his writings. So he was the first person who described ki what is telescope, what is the use of telescope. He was known as the first person who invented telescope, and he described in his writings also that what is telescope, what is the use of telescope, and what is the purpose of telescope. Next, some stars appear to form a pattern or shape in the sky. Such patterns formed by a group of stars are called constellations. The Great Bear and Orion are two constellations you could easily identify in the night sky. Can you spot any of these in the night sky? हाँ जी बेटे. We usually see stars, they are very far away from each other in the sky. But there are some stars that form groups or patterns in the sky. Groups में present होते हैं जो एक pattern बनाते हैं. That groups are called constellations. That patterns or groups of stars, they are called constellations. The Great Bear and Orion are two constellations you could easily identify in the night sky. Now I gave you this activity only to draw this Great Bear and Orion looking in the sky. So these are the two main constellations that you can see easily in the night sky. You can see its picture is given in your book. This is your Great Bear. This is the one constellation. Great Bear pattern is formed. Pattern बन रहा है. Group of stars. ये group है stars का जो pattern बना रहा है. That is called constellation. If you see in this sky every day, you can see it easily. ये आपको दिख सकता है ये constellation. You can see the pattern of this. Next is your Orion. Orion is also called the hunter because it is present in the form of a hunter. जैसे hunter खड़ा है, the same way the Orion is present. This is Orion. See, it is in the form of a hunter. ये hunter की arm है. This is the bow he is having in his hands. So it is also called the hunter. So these are the two constellations that are given in your book. You can also spot other constellations the same way. Now come to the next page, page number 132. Astronomers are people who study the objects in the sky. They have identified many constellations. Some 1500 years ago, an Indian astronomer, Aryabhatta, explained that the earth is round and rotates on its axis. He also said that the moon has no light of its own but shines when lit by sunlight. Now, beta, who are astronomers? Astronomers are the persons who study the objects in the sky. We cannot study objects in the sky. Can you study? आप देख सकते हो, स्टडी कर सकते हो कि स्टार कैसा है या सन कैसा है, मून कैसा है. No, we cannot study. So there are special persons who study the objects in the sky. They are called astronomers. जैसे डॉक्टर्स हैं, वो हमारी डिजीजेस को ट्रीट करते हैं. दे आर डॉक्टर्स. दे आर गिवन नेम डॉक्टर्स. साइंटिस्ट हैं, they are given name scientist because they invent something, they discover something. The same way, the persons who study the objects in the sky, they are given the name astronomers. So they are the persons who study the objects in the sky. They have identified many constellations. जो भी constellations है, Orion, Great Bear, they have been found by the astronomers only. 1500 years ago, an Indian astronomer, एक astronomer था, नाम है आर्यभट्टा. 1500 years ago, इसने साल पहले उसने क्या किया था? He explained that earth is round. हमें पता चलता है कि अर्थ राउंड है. Can we see? We cannot see. The earth is round. But we study in the books that earth is round. And how can we study it? Because he explained, Aryabhatta explained it, that earth is round. He also said that the moon has no light of its own but shines when lit by sunlight. He also said that moon doesn't have light of its own. I explained that moon shines only when the light of the sunlight falls on it. Bhaskar and Varhamira were two other great Indian astronomers of ancient India. Galileo, an Italian, and Johannes Kepler, a German, are other famous astronomers. So there are other astronomers also who studied the objects in the sky. So these are the names that are given over here. So this is all about your chapter. Activity we have already done. Submit it by Saturday. Now we'll start our revision from the next lecture. So thank you and have a nice day.